Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chelsea, and today we're having some homemade meat sauce pasta. I'm done talking. Let's eat. If I don't know, I like to do this anywhere that I eat because it just saves mess sometimes. So you'll hear my family in the background. I'm so sorry about that, but soda, Canada Dry, ginger ale. I have a straw this time. All right, we can't eat pasta without some Parmesan on top. That's good. And this time I didn't mix it. I prefer my pasta separated. And it's still very hot, y'all. So, yeah, it better be so hot. Okay, let's eat. I don't mind just digging my fork in here. I almost forgot my prayer, y'all. So, remember how I said, oh, I need a little on videos so I can post them each week. Did not work like that. I don't see. Yeah. Oh. Y'all, this sauce is very, very good. Hence why I have a napkin. As y'all can see, you might see a trouble board game. I'm using a box to prop my plate up. Selling our home, cleaning is not easy. Y'all, the work it takes. I didn't do a spicy spaghetti sauce this time because I did it last time. So I didn't go with spicy. The worst thing you can do is get full off of water or a beverage before you finish your meal. It's the worst thing. The worst thing. You guys hear my son in the background? The meat I use is ground turkey instead of beef. So how have y'all week been, or how has this week and last week been for y'all? Let me know in the comments. I think I'm actually very disappointed that I couldn't get my video out last week. But right now, I have to accept what is at the current moment in my life, that I can, at least I can get out a video every other week. But my streak should increase once, you know, my time frees up. Tell me, when y'all have your pasta, tell me if you prefer your pasta and sauce separate, or you can prefer it all mixed in. And do you like more sauce than noodles, or more noodles than sauce? Me, like it separate, prefer it separate, and I like more sauce than noodle. Okay, so today I did my son's hair. About 4 to 5 months back, I cut my son's hair to make it all even. You know, sometimes babies lose hair in certain areas, so I just made it a small, cute little fro. 4 to 5 months ago, and now his hair's grown so fast. I had to break. I didn't say break down. I had to do his hair, but I had to do his hair because it's like, I couldn't do it. I had to. Get his hair braided. Oh yeah. And with the metal straw, I love metal straws. So I had to braid his hair. He'll be 2 in November, guys. He'll be 2 years old. And his sign is #Sagittarius. Am I crushing this food pretty fast? I feel like I am. So, in other news, I'm not gonna give y'all mommy talk too much, okay? But oh, it's more soda left. Hold on, y'all. That's the last of it. So I finally seen Black Widow, and it was great. It was great, but it had the same sentiment in the ending like when I watched Logan, you know, Wolverine movie, right? It made me sad because she's one of my favorite Marvel characters. Because the movie almost made me forget that she did die. Don't ask me why I forgot, but I did, okay? I'm like, oh, dang. And of course, you know, you have to wait to the end credits. I'm gonna sneeze, guys. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Excuse me. So, of course, the end credits, you know, they always give you a little hint of what's coming next in the Marvel universe, or what, you know, Marvel directors got up their sleeve. Excuse me. That's good. So, I'm not gonna give it away because I don't know. I'm not gonna spoil, you know. But I almost forgot how much Black Widow was fire, okay? #Black Widow, baby, okay? Well, she had to die. But I think it was very noble of her, you know, to risk her life. You know, she was doing it for the greater good. And but Black Widow gone. But it was a good movie, though. I liked it. I want, oh, I'm rude. I didn't offer. Did y'all want some? Did you wanted to bite? Okay, girl. Okay, okay. Ooh. Oh, you're a little messy. See? Stains. Shirt, no stains. So yeah. And I also watched, I don't know how much of an anime fans that people who watch me are, but I'm a very big anime fan. I watched Howl's Moving Castle again. I watched it years ago. I definitely was not of age when I watched it. So I rewatched it, and it was great. Great again. So I recommend those who are into anime movies, anime in general, watch Howl's Moving Castle. Really, really good. What's your favorite brand of ginger ale? Because not all ginger ale is the same. It's that acid factor. Not all of them hit you in the back of the throat like that. Not all of them do. Oh, guys. I had a belch coming. I can feel it. Yeah, I'll keep eating until I feel it, huh? Wait. Whew. Yeah, so we're good. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, we were good. Now we're good. What was I saying? Oh, that's right. Howl's Moving Castle. The movie I'm definitely on the next 2 must-see list of mine is Cruella. I am a big animated movie fan. I love kids movie, all of it. Don't matter. Does not matter, y'all. Do you remember the game Trouble? So Cruella, I definitely got to see because every villainess has a backstory. And Emma Stone, that's her name. Or I've ever say Emma Thompson, that's not her name. Emma Stone is playing Cruella. It's not slurping. It's not slurping. So I'm excited to see that. And I love audiobooks. I don't know how much longer I'll be doing the mukbang thing on my channel, but I know next are going to be audiobook reviews because I am an audiobook lover. Well, not just audiobooks, but books in general. You know my channel's called Chelsea's So Random, right? Okay. Yeah, you can tell I have a lot of sauce left because you see little strangles of pasta in between the meat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. All right. And that's just hunks of meat mostly is left. It keeps falling. Well, I thought I was staying free. That was most likely because of me doing my son's hair. Ooh. Almost done. That is mostly meat. Y'all, I wanna, that is mostly meat that's left on my plate. That was macho. Macho. So loud. Okay, I am almost done with this food. Hey. That long. That long. Do I have to just eat this meat sauce? Because I do. Sorry with the loud dog, y'all. So much meat. And no applesauce this time. Done. Finished. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel and watching me devour the spaghetti. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And make sure to check out my next video. Bye, guys. Peace.